Uh-oh. Shit, I'm caught on the inside now.
G'day guys, welcome back to the Jet Tech channel. Today we're going out with the Saltwater Cowboys, heading out on the skis at Uluwatu in Indonesia. This is going to be a pretty epic adventure. We're crossing about 10 to 20 kilometers of water, I believe, and surfing on multiple different locations. Let's load up and check out this boat.
Oh, bust up, Harry.
Harry was getting pretty excited about this. He's quite a keen fisherman. Dalton was taking us for a tour around the boats. We're just walking to the upper deck here. Now, cool little bit of information about this boat. It actually used to be a commercial fishing trawler that they turned into a bit of a hotel and party boat that you can hire out. So you can see they've renovated this whole top deck. They've put down AstroTurf, a whole bunch of different tables and stuff. But yeah, it's a pretty sick setup if you ask me. But before we head out, we must kit out the Saltwater Cowboy skis first with all the goodies. So here I've got the turf. We've also got sleds for them, some seat straps, and I believe some hats and goggles too. Oh, and most importantly, stickers. So I turfed up their skis actually the day before, prepping it for our excursion today. This is one of their VXs. It actually came up very, very nice at the end of it. Now it's time to go venture out and see what this place has for us.
Alright, we just rocked up to the back of Temples. What do you reckon, Corey? Pretty epic, dude. This is so sick. First time here, waves are pumping, got the foil on the sled, ready to go. There's a few lines rolling through right here. That's the cliff everyone's been going on about. How good's this? What do you reckon? Yeah. I've had some mischief with the ski. The steering cable's broken. I just had a look, can't fix it. Yeah, I reckon get that ski to tow ya. First little foil sesh. Yeah. I gotta go. Alright, good? Just. Great dog!
Yeah, baby, let's go. Woody's in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Drop in. Go. Pop, pop, pop!
Shit, I'm caught on the inside now. Yeah. It's really hard to duck dive with a GoPro in your mouth. Well, wouldn't read about it. We started with 3 skis and now we're down to 2. Oh no, it wasn't me.
Down to 1 ski.
Oh no, yeah, we're down to 1 ski. Yeah, we're 2 down. On the go. Started with 3, down to 1.
Touch wood.
But I reckon it's we've just sucked something up this VX here. So I reckon it's gonna be an easy fix. Once I get it back to land, I can pull the intake grate off and just pull out whatever it is, and we should be all gravy. Pretty fresh ski. The other ski though, the oldest Sea-Doo, its steering cable broke, so we lost all steering, so we've already had to call one boat to come pick it up. But at least we got a few waves in between. What a day. It's all part of the adventure. Halfway point now. You can probably see that cliff right in the end. Got the new GoPro. I don't know how to take the settings from super view to narrow. That's why I forget one of these cameras to figure that out first. If you're looking for sun protection whilst you're out in the jet ski, the JetTech hybrid sunglasses and goggles paired with the JetTech Ocean Guard hat. That's the best combination. Bro's got the goggle mode on. I got these sets of sunglasses and the hat with the removable chin strap locks it all in. We're out the back of Bali at the moment. We've been on the water for hours now and these have been a lifesaver. You can check all this gear out at JetTech online. We've got shipping worldwide. Get yourself some. Fuel alarm on. We're going to make it just that. Push OK down there and underneath the nut to the right. Yeah, it will come back on shortly though. Last 1 bar of fuel flashing. Oh my god, we'll just make it back.
Make sure we don't get too far inside, huh?
Yeah. I'm driving pretty conservatively. Yeah, you are. At least we're going with like the swell and the chop now. I'll take it a bit wider just in case. How's your back feeling, bro?
Not the best. Aged like 5 years.
Massage tonight. Oh my god, let's surf it back. Back to the mothership. Oh, we got our fuel. Flash at 1 bar. Oh my god! We fall off just the last second. Dude, me too. Our fuel's beeping. Beep! Oh yeah. You do? Yeah. Heavy. Yeah, you beep it? Yeah, bro. Oh. Like since Pandoa. Yeah. Nah, probably a bit further. Right. How's that, Corey?
Dude, cheers. Well needed after today. Got some sick waves. Bit chaotic, but always makes it worthwhile.
Started with 3 skis, down to 2, down to 1, but then we got back to 2.
Back to 2, then almost 0. But we're back. View tastes great.
Till next session.
How good?
Pretty good.
That was so sick.
So sick.
So sick.